Hi, I'm Scotty. I service, repair and restore vintage and antique mechanical clocks. Welcome to Scotties Clock World. This is a crystal boudoir clock from the 50s. The mechanical movement in it was totally stuffed. It was way beyond repairing. So I've replaced the movement. The clock has been brought back in and they want the battery changed. So this is how you do it. First up, fingers in the back of the clock and flip the movement out. There it comes. We'll put that aside. That's our movement. Plastic on the front makes it very glary, so we'll have to be a bit careful. Take the rubber ring off first. Undo the battery compartment. Remove the battery. The easiest way to do that is to slip a screwdriver, got him, under the positive end and flip it out. Got another battery here. This is a new battery we're going to put in the clock movement. Line it up, drop it in, press it down. Make sure the terminals are set up correctly, positive to positive, negative to negative. You turn it over, we see it starting to work. Now we've got to set the time correctly. We turn it back. That little button there sets the time. We have to move it in the direction of the arrow, which is anti-clockwise. So we put our finger on it and spin it around like so till we get to 2, 49, 30, 40, 45, 249, 249, simple operation. Put the battery case lid back on again. Once you've aligned it properly, clips into place. Put the ring on it that holds it into the case. Back to our crystal case again. Align the 12 up to the top and press it in. Then check it, adjust that the 12 is perfectly pointing up to the top. And there it is, ticking away. I've got another insert movement that has an alarm on it, so we'll put one of those in and try the alarm and see how that goes. This is the rack hook right here. That pin, when you put the gathering pallet back on before you hammer it down to keep it firm, that pin has to fall